So Imelda, thank you so much for this
Thanks, Bobby.
opportunity na marinig yung side mo. Now we wanna know ano ba talaga yung gusto mong iparating dun sa post mo? Kasi nga, syempre, ang dami na nag-bash, ang dami nang bumati ko sa'yo, yung mga K-pop fans. Ano yung gusto mong bigyang linaw?
I just want to state na hindi ako racist, not totally an ethnocentrist. Maybe it's part of being an extremist that, like, hindi rin siya like, I'm not saying that I am all in as super Filipino pride because after imperialism and like sa mga pananakop, like I know we are lost as a nation on ano ba talaga ang kultura natin. Of course, the ancestral culture, right? Mga Kalinga, Mountain Province, Tagbanwa, and all that. But like, I want to help us as an industry as well to find our niche as a collective. I mean, personally, I think we are divided. I don't think we are collectively meshed with each other. We do not listen to each other. We take everything as offensive, and we won't grow as a nation if we always take everything as offense. As long as na hindi ko naman nilalait yung kapwa ko Pilipino, why is it an issue when I just want us to have our own identity? We do not know our identity. I don't want to be going out the streets and seeing people dressing or dancing to, oh my gosh. Baka nga, but everybody is racist. I watched that in a TED Talk interview that everybody is racist, and it's proven that everybody has that. But I am not being racist at all. I just want us to hone more and believe in ourselves as Filipinos that if they can do it, we can do it. But it won't happen if we do not listen to each other on what the people want. I can see na yung mga K-pop stans, like, nakikita ko yung mga comments na, and even mga hindi K-pop fans, K-drama fans naman, nakikita ko yung mga comment nila na, kaya lang naman kami nanonood ng K-drama, naniniwala sa K-pop because they don't offer that kind of art here in the Philippines. And like, I hope like the media listens that we should evolve, and especially our show business industry na we shouldn't pattern our style as Filipinos to Korean style. We shouldn't color our skin white. We shouldn't like promote so much like paliitan ng ilong because we should be proud of our nostrils. It flares, right? Naturally, Filipino knows it flares. And how are we promoting self-love? Yes, how are we promoting self-love if we use them as example na, alam mo yun, patodohan ng retoke. We must love ourselves like how black people love themselves. Look at Rihanna. Pinapalitan niya ba yung itsura niya? Yeah, nagparetoke ba siya ng ilong? It still is a flared nostril. So,
so ikaw, anong message mo ngayon sa mga K-pop fans, sa mga K-drama fans, sa fans ng Korean culture, no? Kasi, syempre, sobra yung pambabasya. Anong mensahe mo sa kanila?
Hindi ako naapektuhan sa pangbabash, honestly. Ang mensahe ko is, love what you love, but do not forget about, kung ayaw niyo yung mga nasa mainstream, dito kaming mga nasa underground, independent artists, na hindi pumapayag na ma-adulterate yung art namin. Hindi man malaki ang budget namin, syempre independent artists, syempre malaki budget ng mga Koreans, though. So, support niyo na lang yung mga independent artists na gusto niyo na kahit konti yung budget, it serves, it serves the art for you. So, yeah, in terms of K-drama naman, I don't want to touch that because I like Parasite and some others.
Para it's so totally different.
It's different from K-pop kasi I'm talking about music eh. But
Mm-mm.
like, it's personal preference. I personally do not listen to K-pop. I'm not a fan. I think it's kung anong pinapalabas sa TV, di ba, pag nagkakaraoke kayo, mga sumasayaw, I think they're that. And like, growing up, I play PlayStation, so I'm into like more advanced stuff. And oh my God, baka lalo sila magalit sa sinabi ko, but we cannot take everything as offense. And especially children, yung mga nakikinig ng mga K-pop fans na children, I hope they're not offended for someone that is not their race. I am a Filipino, and I should be your family more than anything. And if my opinion does not resonate with you,
Oo.
hindi so be it. So be
Tama.
it.
Okay.
So be it. Just
So
do
ito,
what you do, love what you love, enjoy what you want to enjoy. But I'm just saying, us independent artists need your support also.
oo. May gagawin ka bang aksyon laban dun sa mga bashers mo?
Yeah, I had an issue before with the tetards, right? I don't know if that's their call, but that's what internet calls it, the tetard. I had an issue with them. And ang problema dun, I didn't do anything about it. So with K-pop stans, these are all almost minors. And they're cursing me, ginadama yung anak ko, which is sobra wow. Like, talk about nationalism. Where is it, man? Like, hello. But I've talked to lawyers, and I was advised to list names. So when I'm ready and it has gone overboard, I could take action, and it could call into like the Korean culture as well, that it's not okay to have your fans harass people online for not agreeing with what you're fighting for, whatever it is.
Okay. So ayan, so kumonsulta ka na ng lawyer and you're planning to file case kapag naipon mo na o nakapag-prepare ka na nung listahan.
Yeah, kasi halos lahat yun nasa cybercrime law eh. Pinatupad na yan sa Pilipinas that we have we have cybercrime laws. And ang daming sangay, which is derogatory words, harassment, online harassment. It can't go on. As us Filipinos, like what I said, we're divided already. Sana like we do not use, another race's issue into this, because we are supposed to be family, if anything. And I don't want harm on anyone, especially my fellow Filipinos. I don't want harm on any of you, but if you really go overboard, damayan tayo ng pamilya into the picture, of course, it will hit me, and I would want you to go to jail for that, for saying that to me. Diba? Nobody wants na may sasabihin ka tapos idadama yung family mo. Of course not, right?
Yeah.
Or tatawagin ka ng kung ano-anong pangalan that you always have called me. All those names, walang respect.
Yeah, okay.
Respect, freedom of speech anyways, right? Philippines promotes freedom of speech. Let's, live by that.
Yeah. That leads me to my next question, Imelda, no? Kasi this is not the first time that
Bon?
you've been in a controversy. Of course, maraming nakakatanda nung nangyari a few years back during your reign sa Miss Earth Philippines, and then now ito. Sa tingin mo, saan nanggagaling yung bakit you are misunderstood by the public, by the audience? You're just giving sabi mo nga, you're just stating your opinion, your thoughts on issues, pero bakit parang you are misunderstood?
Siguro takot tayo sa sarili nating multo. Yun eh. And I'm bringing about something that is unhealed sa atin, na however I am, this is literally how Filipinos are when in closed doors. It's just that, I thought I was talking to my fans. I was in the heat of the moment that time when I said that, retokada yung nanalo. It was against my beliefs, because I really appreciate natural beauty. I really appreciate people who love themselves for who they really are. I think it's empowering. And I want to see that in mainstream media, that we empower people. That's my only intention. Like, ang intention ko lang is we empower each other and we heal and we grow and we succeed as a nation. Sobrang natatabunan na tayo. We're not in the map, you know? And if you take everything as offense when my intentions are good, we really have to recheck our attitude na parang we gaslight each other and all that. But honestly, I think that's my market. People who are misunderstood. And I handled it, for me, I handled it well and with grace. Kahit na, alam mo yon, people are attacking me all the time. Lagi na lang yung like news about me is negative. And nakakasad kasi yung intention ko lang naman as a youth is good for my, you know, for my fellow Filipinos.
Siguro lastly na lang, Imelda, no? Anong message mo sa public? And this is your opportunity na rin to promote your music because, of course, as an independent artist, kailangan ma-showcase din talaga behind these controversies. Kailangan maiangat mo rin yung musika mo as you wanna promote it.
Yeah, thank you. My message? Sorry, can you repeat? I forgot what you said.
What's your message na lang to the public, to your fans, to your bashers, and of course, kindly promote na rin your song, your music.
Sa bashers, wala ako masyadong masasabi kasi I know they do not know what they're doing. I know pinaglalabasan lang nila ako ng sama ng loob nila sa ibang issues nila sa buhay and they're painting me to be a person who I'm not. Actually, I got into the second round of PBB. Sorry. I joined that so that, you know, people could get to know me na totoong ako, hindi yung mga short words na lumalabas sa akin na ginajudge, binapalaki, and all that. And also, like, as I said, I'm an independent artist. I'm not just an independent artist. When you say independent artist, nobody is funding my music. I fund everything from the direction of my music videos na nilalait ngayon ng K-pop fans na low budget daw. I'm not gonna apologize na low budget. It's what I can afford as an independent artist. And I think it's the best out there. I think nobody is doing what I'm doing right now. It's fearlessness. And I hope you support my music because I think it should be in radios, in Mix, MTV Philippines, because I think my music is quality and it's the best out there, in my opinion. I know mayabang, whatever, but in my own mind, from everything I'm seeing right now, here, I think mine's, you know, I don't listen to any other music but mine's.
Yeah, ayan. Ako,
Yun lang, Von. Thank you
Yeah.
so much, ha.